All right, Zippy, let's go for a ride. Wanna? You look like you're ready.
She's lost. She's lost on land again. They lost my friend. Lost on land again.
I wonder if bikes are allowed.
I heard that they're allowed on several trails here.
Oh, cool.
Actually, I have a map that might say
Oh, cool.
which ones.
Usually there's a big sign that says not.
Say exactly, right? They usually tell you.
Okay, I am pretty sure there should be a gator here. I mean, if you can't find a gator here, you probably can't find a gator. Alright, so I am out riding this trail. It's slow going, but it's a lot of fun. And there's lots of these little lookouts, lookovers, whatever you call them, little benches. Well, this is just looking at this marshy swamp. I bet there's a lot of waterfowl, but you know what? It also smells foul. It's pretty peaceful though. Yep, this is a fun trail. Very good. Very fun. All the palmettos and the cypress and the pine trees. Very, very cool. And there's gotta be gators out there. Just gotta be. From the awesome signage around this trail, I learned that frogs and salamanders like to lay their eggs in freshwater sloughs because the alligators will keep them safe from predators like raccoons. Very cool. Probably under the bridge. That's where I'd be if I was a gator. Very fun. So I just pulled my phone out and realized there is a geocache 350 feet behind me. So I'm going to turn around and go find it. This one's called Turtle Tracks. So awesome, I rode right up to it. That almost never happens. Check it out. Right there. Nice. Alright, that was very fun. Very, very fun. Oh, how was this? Oh. Yeah, I'm crashing the tree apparently. That was a bit brutal. Oh. Oh. Bad. Oh. Hi.
Calm down. Let her pass.
Sorry. Hey, girl.
Come on, this way.